The Bayelsa state government is working out modalities to manage its newly built Ecumenical Center in Igbogene. To this end, an executive bill titled the Bayelsa Ecumenical Management Board 2017, sent to the State House of Assembly, has passed through various stages of reading. Speaker of the Bayelsa Assembly says the board is constituted by notable Christian bodies, including the Christian Association of Nigeria and the Pentecostal Fellowship of Nigeria.
We have emphasized on the investments and the infrastructure so much, but this one is special because it involves God Almighty, and so whatever amount of money you are putting there it is not too much. It has to be placed under the supervision and control of people of integrity, and so that is why we have to bring in PFN, CAN, EQUA, and all the other groups to ensure that they manage and maintain the edifice in the proper order.
The passion of the governor, the belief he has in God, which he has taken the state to, and he has built that fantastic, magnificent edifice in Igbogene, which is the Ecumenical Center. And so much investment, so much money put in place, to build that edifice. And if he leaves office, that place needs to be maintained. He brought in that bill for us to pass it so that a management team could be set up within the Christendom to manage that edifice.